Okay. So what is this keyword? What is this keyword? It is a keyword for initializing for the non-static data members, right? For the non-static data members, for initializing the non-static data members, we need this keyword. Okay. Got it. So what is the syntax of this keyword? Yes, one more thing is by using the this keyword, we can refer any non-static data members. This keyword we can't use inside the static constraint context. And when this keyword is mandatory to use, can anyone tell me? When this keyword is mandatory to use? Yes. When we will use this keyword, that is in a block, if non-static variable name and local variable name same, to refer non-static variable, this keyword is mandatory. Got it? Got my point? When we will use this keyword? If there is non-static data members and local data members are same, the name will be same. So for the non-static data members, we need to initialize the non-static data members only. We use this keyword. Got it? Got
Sir,
my point? Yes.
to initialize the non-static data members, we are using the construct.
No.
Then what
Initializing the
constructor used for?
variables. See, in the constructor, we need to use this keyword. Okay, I will tell you the constructor also, right?
Yes, sir, that's what I am telling. This keyword, it is wrapping to the current object. That is why we are initializing the current object memories. That is why we have to use this keyword.
Okay, can you tell me?
Otherwise, we have to pass the object out when we are passing it to the construct.
Okay, so can we call by using this keyword for the static data members?
No, sir. Static. We are using the static block to initialize the static members.
Yes, but the constructor is initializing the variables in a class, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
for the constructor, we need this keyword. Okay, when we are going to initialize the value, non-static values only. Okay, so we need to use this keyword. Got it? Okay, let me, if you are going to confuse them, as per you, current object. Got it? Now it is correct. Correct?
Yes, sir. It is pointing to the current object.
Okay. So, so, so can you tell me? I already told you that when this keyword is mandatory to use. So I will tell you that what is block also, but you just understand uh, I will tell you after that. Although non-static variable and local variables are same in a block, then for the non-static variable, we need to use this keyword or refer to the non-static variable. We need to use this keyword. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So let me give you an example. Class A. In a class A, I have some data members like entity of length and breadth. Okay, so let me create an what that is a method, right? Initialization. Initialize is a method which is having some variables, local variables, that is length and let's see. My local variable are nine, non-static variables are same here. So I need to use this keyword for calling this for calling this key this those things we need to call. So we need to refer these things. So for referring these things, the non-static variables, we need this dot length into got it. This small, okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
So this is a kind of example here. Okay, can anyone tell me in the Java, all the classes and interfaces are which type of data members? Like is it primitive or non-primitive type?
Sir, non-permitted.
Yes, good. Okay. So uh, let me move to the constructor. What is constructor? What is constructor? It is a special type of non-static method. It is a set of statements used to initialize non-static data members of a class. Got it? See, I have a method, constructor method, right? Constructor. In this constructor, this is not a constructor. Okay, I just going to give an example because if it is a constructor, then there is will be not void type. There is no return type. Okay, I will tell you the what is constructor first. Constructor is a when we are going to initialize the non-static data members of a class, then we need to use constructor. In that constructor, we have to use this keyword for non-static data members. Got it? You have doubt? Yes. It will be get executed when object is created by using new keyword. See, I already told you how can I create an object for the non-static data members by creating an object reference by using the new keyword. Okay. And after that new keyword, we need to use constructor. That one is my constructor. Okay. Yes. One more thing is constructor name should be same name as the class name. It doesn't have any modifier and return type also. Yes, but it can have any SS modifier like private, public, protected. Yes, one more thing is we can't make constructor as a static. This is mandatory things. Yes, one more thing is we can create a constructor inside the class block only. Inside the class block and outside the method. We can create a constructor with argument and without argument also. Okay, so let me give you an example. So you know what is constructor, no need to explain those things. Okay, sorry. So if I have a class A, then I need to create a constructor C. My constructor will be as my class name, got it? And it doesn't have any what return type and modifiers. It doesn't have any return type and modifiers, right?
Yes, sir.
If I can here, kind of, this is my constructor. This is my constructor. So in the main method, I have to create what an object because it's a non-static data member, a non-static method. So I need to call the non-static method by using the
Class
reference
object
by using the
object
reference object. Okay. So how can I create an object by using the new keyword,
new
right?
keyword.
So can I create like this new of can I create this? Yes, I can. It will print a constructor. See, no, this is my constructor. See, it will not create any object. Yes, internally it will create an object, but there is no name. It will in the memory location, it will create address for that object, but it will not create any, it will not going to give a name for that object. Got it? See, I will tell you. What is behind it, sir? So can anyone tell me what is garbage collector? It is a mechanism used to clear the abandoned object from the heap area. Whatever in the heap area we have the abandoned. Abandoned means without any reference. Okay. So these objects are used to clear the uh yes, if you want to clear those things, then it will called as a garbage collector. So what is abandoned object? Abandoned object it will exist in the heap area without any reference. Those objects are called as a abandoned object. Means, see, this is my abandoned object. Means there is no name for the object. We will not create any name for, or we will not create any of. We will create an object, but we didn't give any name for that object, right? So this is abandoned object. Got it? If you clear these things, then it will call it as a garbage collector. Got it?
Yes,
So this is the example of what abandoned object. Yes, one more thing is if the object is abandoned, that object is eligible to remove from the heap area,
yes, sir.
like garbage collector. When garbage collector invoke, it will remove all the abandoned objects from the memory heap area. Got it?
Yes,
Yes. For the abandoned object, sorry, for the abandoned objects reference, we can use only one time only. This is mandatory difference. Got it? We have to use only for one time. Got it? So you understand what is garbage collector, what is abandoned, and what is constructor, what is this keyword here. So can anyone tell me what is the advantage of a constructor? The advantage is it is used to initialize the object and it is initialize non-static data members of a class only. These are the advantages. So let me move here. What is constructor overloading? What is constructor overloading?
We can overload the constructor, sir, by passing different types of arguments to it.
Mhm.
Sir, it without any field, then without an argument, that is default constructor, and with arguments, overload constructor.
Means the argument will be different, right?
Yes, sir, argument is different.
So in a class creating, okay. So in a class, we are creating a multiple constructor with a different formal argument is known as a constructor overloading. Got it? But in a class, we should not create constructor with the same formal argument. If you have, then it will source errors. That is ambiguity error. Means this is the syntax. We can say that is the syntax for this, for the constructor overloading. Okay. So the formal argument will be different, but the now I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. So um I already told you what is constructor overloading. So if you have um, multiple constructors in a class with different formal arguments, it's going to say constructor overloading.
Overloading.
In a class, we should not create constructor with same formal arguments, right? If we create, then it throws an error that is ambiguity error, compile time error, right? Compile time error, not runtime error. But let me give you an example that is class A. In a class A, we can have constructor that is my default constructor. Got it? Yes. One more thing is, if I didn't write here this constructor now, 1 second. If I didn't write here this constructor, was not working. If I didn't write this constructor, then automatically and internally it will already created this. If the user don't want to write this, then it will be fine also. If the user wants to write this, then it will be also fine. But internally, it will, if you create a class, then after creating a class, the default constructor will be created automatically internally. Got it? Got it my point? Yes. So if I have constructor, second constructor that has in I, got it? SOP one construct one parameter, like yes, one parameter. This is my second constructor, third constructor that is that have int I and int j. SOP of both two parameters. Got it? Yes. If I let me create one main method have new BO that is new BO and we pass 10. Then what will be my answer for this? For this first one, tell me what will be my answer for the first one? No parameter. So what will be my first answer? This will give me no parameter, right? And second one will be give me what? One parameter. Third one will give me two parameter, right? Got it? Am I
Yes,
audible,
sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
So, anyone have doubt till now? Anyone have doubt till now? Can I move?
Yes,
So,
sir.
what is yes, anyone have doubt?
No, sir, no.
So, what is copy constructor? What is copy constructor? So, copying the value from one constructor to another constructor is called as a copy constructor. Simple thing, man. Copy the values, copy the values from one constructor to another constructor. That is called as a copy constructor. So, it makes an example like class A. Let me chase some values. So it is for string name, string name, and base, and ID. So let me create a constructor A of string name, entire. But enter is right, enter ID. So guys are already knows these things, copy constructor. So how can I call this copy? This by using this keyword, right? This dot name equal to name. This dot is equal to is this dot ID. Correct? Correct. So let me create any copy constructor that is for the above statement, above constructor. Okay. So can I write here A and I will give you one what
Reference variable.
reference got it mole. So this one here mm, mall is called as the my copy constructor, right? Got it. So how can I call this variable here by using this keyword, right? Is the name equal to name this dot got it. Okay, let me create one copy.
Sir, this
Yes,
dot name instead of this dot name is equal to a. This dot age is equal to age. We have to write this dot age is equal to a dot age because we don't have the values of age and this. We are copied it from previous constructor
yes. Where I should write this dot name equal to
a dot name.
yeah, good, good one. I was doing mistake, but you guys are one guy only who told the mistake. Okay. So let me print some this would print here. That is name. This is concatenate, right? N plus is plus concatenate plus ID. Got it? So please be hey, where is my class? A mm, um, where is my main class? Yes, class name. Okay. So PSPM. So what should I create here? I should create one what object, right? But before that, I have to pass something here because I already created what constructor which is having some parameters evaluated. So I need to keep the parameters here. What should be my parameter? Let me get some nine. Whose name I have to take? Let me give my name Newton and the top two is 25 then yes 25 and after that 1 my ID will be 1. So if I want to create object for the copy construction. So then I have to do the, or I have to create an object for the copy constructor. Okay. A. B is my name. New. What should I pass here? What should I pass here? That is this object I have to pass here. S, right? Means it will all when I pass the S here now, it will copy from here. Okay, got it. So by using the S object, if I call the display, then what it will print out? It will print Newton 25 and got it. So if I call B dot display, then what I will get? Can anyone tell me? What I will get? Newton
25 same.
25 1. Got it? This is all about my copy constructor. Got it? Anyone have doubt till now?
Yes.
Okay. So let me move to this call to this. So what is called to this? I'm moving fast right today. You understand all those things now? See guys, I need to complete all those things. Okay, so I will move little bit fast. So you have to construct it here only. Okay. Okay. So what is called to this? What is called to this? Can anyone tell me? Call to this is a constructor calling statement, right? Constructor calling statement. It is a constructor calling statement. By using this call to this, we can call one constructor to another constructor within the same class. Got it? If you want to call the constructor, one constructor to another constructor with the same class, I need to use call to this. So call to this should be always first line of the constructor. This is uh the rule. I have to write the call to this. So in the first line of the constructor, when we're starting the constructor, after starting constructor, I have to write the call to this. Then after I will do the iteration or write the program course there. Okay. Just one more thing is calling one constructor to another constructor. We can call it as a constructor chain, right? So this call to this is the constructor chain also. We can call it as a constructor chain also. We can achieve constructor chain by using call to this. Got it? Got my point? So let me give you an example that is class mobile. Mobile. The class mobile I have string type of name, the name. What is color and sorry, this is string type, right? This let me give you RAM, RAM and room and string color. If I have four type of data members here, so let me create a constructor mobile of this is default constructor, right? So let me create another constructor that have one parameter that is string name Yes. If if I want to call the default constructor here, then I have to use this dot this call to this. Sorry, call to this. Right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So how can I prefer the non-static data number the name because I already passed the one parameter, so I have to initialize this value also. What I should do? What should I do? This dot name equal to name, right? Got it. So let me create another constructor which is having in name and int room, two data members. Int ram, right? First I have to write. Int ram I have to write. It will be fine also if I write from. Okay. So what shall I do here? I need to use this call to this, but before that I have to, yes. After that I have to write the name because I already create one constructor for the name. Okay. So I need to pass this value here. So I have to write call to this by using the by passing the name variable. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This the drum. Got it? Okay. So if I put create one more what string name int ram int room. Okay. So what should I do here? I should use this call to this. What should I pass here?
Name, sir.
Only name.
Name and RAM.
Yeah. Name, comma, boy. And after that, I have to initialize the row for room, right? This dot room equal to room. Got it? So so tell me if I create for the four data members or constructor, then what should I do here? Tell me, tell me. What should I write here? So I have to use call to this, but I have to what I should pass to
Name, RAM, ROM.
name, yeah, row. Okay. Then after I have to initialize what value that caller value, right? Got it.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Got it. So I will completed these things. Till now, anyone with doubt? Till now, anyone in doubt now?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me create one public void display. What should I do here? Scope of scope print name plus uh, plus what RAM plus ROM plus RAM ROM then caller, right?
Color.
Is it correct? See, so this is my main method, and in this main method, I have to create an object for the mobile, right? What should I do here? Mobile m equal to new mobile of. What should I pass you?
Name,
Tell me one name.
name, RAM, ROM, color, sir.
Okay, so tell me one name now. Mobile name.
Mm. Samsung, sir.
Samsung. So you're using Samsung. That is older model, right?
Yes.
So what's your RAM and ROM?
8 GB RAM, sir.
8 GB RAM. Okay. ROM.
Mm. 64 GB, sir.
Uh, 64. Then color
White.
white. Wow. So I already created the mobile. Got it. So here, what should I do here? I should call the which method I
Mm.
should call here?
Display method, sir.
There were by using the M. So I will get the so got it. Got it. Anyone in doubt?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Anyone in doubt till now? No. So can I move forward?
Yes, sir.
You understand these things now? What I am asking today, what it is you, that is this keyword, and what is constructor, constructor overloading, and
Copy of construct.
copy constructor, copy of name. This is copy constructor.
Okay.
And this is call to this, okay? Not call method. This call to this, not this method. This is
Okay.
call to this. See, I'm typing here for your understanding purpose. You have to tell this, no need to write these things. Okay. The pronunciation will be called to this. Perfect. Okay. Got my point. So, as we completed the call to this, so can I move forward? That is for block. What is block? What is block?
Block will containing some statements, sir. Without executing any other methods or main method, it will execute first in the class, sir.
Yeah. But okay. So can you tell me what is block? What is the definition of block? So if I have, sorry. So if I have multiple initializers in a class, then we have to use blocks, right? So we have two types of blocks, that is static blocks and non-static blocks. So one more thing you have to remember this thing that if I have a static blocks and non-static blocks in a class, then the static blocks will be executed first, then after non-static blocks, then after the local variables, then after only all those things will print. Okay, but firstly we have to the JVM will print the what static blocks, then non-static blocks. Yes, if I have static blocks in a class, but outside the main method, uh, means if I have a static block in a class and inside the class, but outside the main method, and one static block will be there in the main method, then which one will be executed first? Understand what was my question? See, in a class I have in a class I have a static block, a static block. So him, are you there? Why you are not responding till now? Can we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I have understand what was my question, if I have a static block in the class A,
Okay, sir.
but if I have static blocks in the main method also, so which one will be executed for?
Outside the method, sir.
It means this static block will be executed first outside the method.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Outside the
Hmm?
method.
This one will
Yes,
be
sir.
executed first. After that,
After that, inside the main method one, sir.
yes, good boy. So for class variable are printed first, then after the main method will be executed in the block. If I have block, if I'm considering about block, got it? So I will say do what is blocks in the next class. Okay. So anyone have doubt till now? Understand what is this keyword, what is constructor overloading, copy constructor, and call to this. Understand? Anyone without till now? So you got your attendance? No? Completed your attendance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. For him, what is this? Your email ID.
Yes, sir. This is my email ID.
Are you experienced?
Yes, sir.
Are you experienced or fresher?
I am fresher, sir.
So this is a college mail ID or what?
Yeah, it is college email ID.
Okay. Just look for some business IDs. Okay.
It is college email ID. I haven't changed it.
Okay. So anyone have doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. If you have any doubt, then we will discuss in the group. Okay.
Yes,
Have a
sir.
good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.